Evening, sir. Good evening, classmate. My name is Liasin Mangadlaw, and this is my report. The Industrial Revolutions in 18th century, also known as the First Industrial Revolution, took place between the late 18th, 18th, 18th and the 19th centuries. Was the phenomenal process and the transfer of doing that had been based on agriculture and handicrafts into economies based on work by human hand and fit to the use of machines. As a industrial revolution, 18th century is kuan kaning diri sa kuan nag-focus sila sa pag-o paglago or pagbag-o sa industrial diri na part is na ay musbong nga mga bag-o nga mga invention pareha sa mga machines o mga technologies. Isa sa mga invention diri is ang spinning jenny na giimbento ni James Hargreaves atong 1764. Kani nga invention is naghatag sa uban og kanang dalan para mapadali gani ang mga trabaho sa paghimo sa yarn or sinulid. So diri sa Industrial Revolution 18th century kani nga time is mas gipahalagahan gani nila ang pagbago sa lugar. First invention is spinning jenny, 1764. James Hargreaves a new kind of spinning jenny machine, multi-spindle spinning jenny that would draw thread for frame that would draw the trend of eight spinning simultaneously and then instead of just one. Then the water frame, 1769, invented by Richard Arkwright, Wright, was the first fully automatic and continuously operating spinning machine. It required a location in the large building new a fast rather steam powered by the powerful waterfall. So kaning water frame is kaning pareha ra ni sila sa spinning genie but kani mas kaning mas gipadali pa ning kaning water frame kay kaning dili na gani siya ko anon kaning dili na siya gamiton by hand. Magtuyok naman lang gud na siya og iyaha. Bali pwede ra nimo na siya pasagdan kay magtuyok ra iya. Then ang nabento ana is si Richard Arkwright. Steamship invented by Jacques Peter. Steamboat proved a population method of the commercial and passenger transportation. It helped the transportations of goods and faster the easier. Submarine, 1775, invented by David Bushnell. Bushnell. The first submarine ever used in combat. While studying at Yale in 1775, he as well created bombs with could explore underwater. So, spinning mule, invented by Samuel Crampton, designed by the combining features of spinning jenny and the water frame capable of the producing fine as well as coarse yarn and made it possible for a single operator to work more than 1,000 spindles stimuli. Machine tools. Henry Maudsley, 1771, 1831, and Joseph Whitworth, 18, 1803 and 1887. Two British engineers developed and improved machine tools which were essential to the later stage of the first industrial revolution because they made it possible to contract standardized manufacturing machines. So si Henry og si Joseph, sila ang duha ka British engine nga nagdevelop sa kani machine tools. Threshing machine. Invented by Scottish mechanical engineer Andrew Meikle. But man siya. A threshing machine or a thresher is a piece of a farm equipment that threshes the grain. It removes the seeds from the stalk and by beating the plant to make the seeds fall out. So kaning ibutang nila ang kaning mga person ng humayan man yata. Humayan din ilang ikuan diri tas matanggal din ang mga seeds ana. Oh, machine na siya para sa humayan. Ano siya? Invented by John Barber. A combustion engine that can convert natural gas or other liquid fuels to mechanical energy. This energy then drives the generator that produces electrical energy power generator. So kani is kaning more siya sa kuan, a generator. Pag kani mag burn out, kani need din mo ning ginagamit generator, power generator. Ang inventor ani is si John Barber. Cotton gin. Invented by Eli Whitney, also called cotton engine, a machine that revolutionized the productions of cotton quickly and easily separated cotton fibers from their seeds, enabling most greater productivity than manual cotton. So kani is kuan kaning machine ni siya para sa mga cotton. Kanang nay gani mga seeds then kuan ibutang nila na datanan dili na nimo need magkamot-kamot kay ang kuan man gud ang kana magud kay kuan na siya kaning pag ibutang nimo diha mangtanggal na din ang mga seeds manglahi na dayon ang kaning mga cotton ug katong iyahang mga liso. Provided the first source of continuous current, people called it the voltaic pile. Of continuous current, people called it the voltaic pile. Scientists were able to produce steady flows of electric current for the first time, unleashing a wave of new discoveries and technologies. So, battery. Kabalo naman to sa battery. Some of the greatest inventions were introduced by American scientists, such as during this period was Robert Fulton, 1765-1815 steamboats that used one of Watt's engines. In English engineer Gregory Stephenson, 1781-1848 developed the first steam-powered red locomotive. Thank you, sir.